Hello, and welcome. If you've been feeling like life isn't moving the way you want it to, or if you're struggling to manifest the things you desire, it's time to address something fundamental: your energy. It's simple, yet profound. Your energy is everything. It shapes your reality, attracts circumstances, and brings forth your desires. Whether you're aware of it or not, your energy is the driving force behind everything that happens in your life. If you're not attracting what you want, it's likely because there's a blockage somewhere in your energy field. When we talk about energy, we're not referring to something abstract or far-fetched. No, this is about your feelings, your thoughts, your state of being in every moment. It's about how you feel about yourself, your circumstances, and the world around you. Your energy is constantly being emitted into the universe, and it works on a frequency. Just like a radio station, if your frequency is off, you won't tune into the station you want to hear. You need to clear your energy, align it with what you desire, and allow the universe to respond accordingly. If your energy is cluttered with negative thoughts, doubts, fears, or past experiences, it creates resistance. This resistance blocks the flow of abundance, love, opportunities, and everything else you want. To attract the life you want, the first step is to clear your energy. But how do you do this? The first thing you need to realize is that your energy is directly tied to your beliefs. Your beliefs shape your reality, whether those beliefs are empowering or limiting. If you believe that you are unworthy of love or success, that's the energy you'll project. If you believe that abundance is scarce or that you have to struggle for everything, that's the energy you'll attract. But if you shift your beliefs and align them with abundance, love, and possibility, your energy will follow suit. Start by paying attention to your thoughts. Are they positive or negative? Are you thinking about what you want, or are you focused on what you don't want? Often, we're unaware of the constant stream of negative thoughts that are running in the background. But if you take the time to notice, you'll realize just how much of your energy is spent on fear, doubt, and worry. It's time to clear those thoughts out. One of the most effective ways to clear your energy is through meditation. Meditation helps you to quiet the mind and release the thoughts that are cluttering your energy field. It's about finding stillness and connecting to the present moment, where you can tune into the frequency of what you desire. Through meditation, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your true desires. But it doesn't stop there. You must also work on your emotions. Emotions are powerful energy, and they can either uplift you or weigh you down. Negative emotions like anger, guilt, or sadness carry a heavy frequency that keeps you stuck in the past. If you hold on to these emotions, they block the flow of positive energy into your life. It's crucial to allow yourself to feel your emotions fully, but also to let them go. Release any emotional baggage that is holding you back. As you do this, you'll begin to feel lighter, more open, and ready to receive. Another important step in clearing your energy is practicing gratitude. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance. When you focus on what you already have and express appreciation for it, you attract more of it into your life. Gratitude is a powerful frequency that aligns you with your desires. It opens the door for more blessings to flow into your experience. Make gratitude a daily practice. Find things, big or small, to be thankful for, and feel the energy of appreciation fill your being. Now, it's also essential to pay attention to your physical environment. The energy in your home, your workplace, and the spaces you occupy affects your own energy. Clutter, disorganization, or negativity in your environment can contribute to mental and emotional blockages. Clear out any physical clutter, and create a space that feels peaceful and aligned with the energy you wish to attract. A clean and harmonious environment helps to support a clear and positive energy field. As you work on clearing your energy, you'll notice that your desires begin to manifest more easily. When your energy is aligned with what you want, the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. You'll start to see synchronicities, opportunities, and signs that you're on the right path. Things that once seemed out of reach will begin to flow toward you effortlessly. But also, clearing your energy is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Your energy needs to be maintained, just like any other aspect of your well-being. Make it a habit to regularly check in with yourself. How are you feeling? What are you thinking? What emotions are you holding on to? Keep your energy clean and clear, and continue to align it with your desires. This will ensure that you attract everything you want into your life with ease. It's also important to understand that everything you need is already within you. You have the power to create the life you want by simply shifting your energy. You don't need to chase after things or force outcomes. The key is to be in alignment with your desires, to be a vibrational match for them, and to allow the universe to bring them to you. Trust that your desires are already on their way. By clearing your energy, you're essentially removing any resistance that's preventing your desires from manifesting. And when that resistance is gone, you become a magnet for everything you want. It's like opening a floodgate of abundance, love, and opportunity. You are no longer blocking the flow. You are allowing it to come to you effortlessly. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't require you to struggle or strive. You don't need to fight for what you want. All you need to do is clear your energy, align it with your desires, and trust that the universe will take care of the rest. It's all about creating a space for your desires to enter your life. When you're in alignment, things just flow. You begin to attract everything you want with ease and grace. Clearing your energy isn't just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about creating emotional harmony. Emotional balance is vital to manifesting the life you want. You must learn how to process your emotions in a healthy way. If you feel sadness, allow yourself to experience it fully, but don't let it linger. If you feel anger, acknowledge it, but don't let it control your actions. Negative emotions, when left unchecked, will cause disruptions in your energy field. It's important to release them, rather than holding on to them or suppressing them. To clear your energy, you must also release limiting beliefs. These beliefs are often unconscious, formed by past experiences or societal conditioning. Beliefs like, "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never succeed" can severely limit your potential. They keep you stuck in a cycle of lack, preventing you from attracting abundance and success. The key to breaking free from these beliefs is self-awareness. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself and the beliefs you hold about yourself. Challenge them and replace them with empowering thoughts and affirmations. By consciously shifting your mindset, you create space for new, positive experiences to flow into your life. Another aspect of energy clearing is self-love. You must believe that you are worthy of everything you desire. When you love and honor yourself, you elevate your energy and make room for greater blessings to come your way. The practice of self-love involves being kind to yourself, forgiving your past mistakes, and treating yourself with the respect you deserve. It's about acknowledging your worth, not based on external circumstances, but because you are inherently deserving of love, abundance, and all good things. In conclusion, clearing your energy is the first and most important step to attracting everything you desire. By shifting your thoughts, emotions, and environment, you create a clear channel for the universe to bring you your desires. It's a process of letting go of resistance, aligning with abundance, and trusting that what you want is already on its way to you. The more you clear your energy, the more you will find yourself in the flow of manifestation, attracting everything you've ever dreamed of. And all of this begins with you, with your energy, and your willingness to let go of what no longer serves you.